The power of the subconscious mind inspired by Michio Kaku's ideas. Have you ever thought that the most powerful tool to shape your future is already within you? Scientists and philosophers have studied the human mind for a long time. Modern physics now shows how powerful our subconscious mind is. Imagine it as a quantum machine, processing countless possibilities, just as Dr. Michio Kaku explained in his book, The Subconscious Mind and Parallel Reality. In his book The Future of the Mind, Michio Kaku explains that our thoughts are not just chemical reactions but can influence reality. Quantum physics suggests that the universe is full of possibilities, and our mind acts as an observer, transforming these possibilities into reality. This means that what you think today can become your reality tomorrow. How your brain creates your reality. Think about it, your brain creates electrical signals that define your reality. In the God equation, Kaku explains that the universe follows specific rules, and your mind works within these rules. Your subconscious mind is constantly calculating different possibilities, just like a quantum computer. The more you focus on a goal, the more your brain pushes reality toward that goal. This is why successful people visualize their dreams clearly. It is not magic, but a combination of neuroscience and quantum mechanics. Techniques to reprogram your subconscious mind. Rewiring neural pathways. Scientists study how neural networks in the brain function. Similarly, by thinking positively repeatedly, you can reprogram your brain. When you keep saying, I am confident and successful, your neural pathways become stronger, making success a natural outcome. Visualization and the multiverse theory. Kaku's parallel universe theory suggests that every possible version of your life exists in different realities. When you imagine success, your subconscious mind collapses the quantum wave function in a way that moves you toward your best reality. Meditation and brain waves. In the future of humanity, Kaku discusses how brain-computer interfaces may allow us to control machines with thought. Meditation helps bring the brain into a deep theta state, which is ideal for programming the subconscious mind. The power of the placebo effect. If you truly believe in something, your subconscious mind can make it real. This is why the placebo effect can cure diseases without medicine. Imagine what you could achieve if you truly believed in your success. The future of the mind and human potential. Michio Kaku predicts that in the future, we may control machines with our thoughts and even store our consciousness in digital form. But before that, we must learn to control our own minds. Your subconscious mind is your most powerful tool. If you can control it, your potential is limitless. Think of your subconscious mind as a quantum computer, processing countless possibilities. The question is, what reality do you want to create? Comment below and share what you want to achieve in your life. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.